this Barclays website, for example, comprises of a lot of content right here. And I really like the layout as well. It's so beautiful. Now, do you know that these pages that you see all here, if you go here, bank account, go to this and that, all of these pages have been built by web publishers. So it is not the software developers, it is not the web developers that will be adding contents to the content management systems. You see, so the web developers, they have built the whole system, they've built the templates, and they are done. They have left the stage. Now the stage is up to you, the web publisher, the web producer, the web editor. Let's just call it the web producer to simplify things. The web producer, it is your role to come and build all of these pages using the contents that have been written by the copywriters. You see, the copywriters will give you content. The compliance team will also give you content, or they will work alongside you, with you to approve certain content from the copywriters. Okay, they want to ensure that certain terms have been used correctly. Okay, now, not many people know how to build web pages. All the time, companies need web publishers. They need web producers. You will come in, you will help the team to determine, okay, this particular page, for example, with this URL, which is called current accounts, is meant to be a landing page. So the templates that you're going to use to build the level 1 web pages will be entirely different from the templates that you're going to use to build the level 2 web pages, or even level 3, level 4, and so on. All of these web pages have been built by a web producer. The web producer must have received content from copywriters where they've stated that this should be the heading. You must have a knowledge of HTML, CSS in most cases. You must be able to determine what pixel ratio this should be. Okay, you won't just come and use like a banner image here. You have to use the exact image which has been specified that you should use, which will also be responsive. Okay, you've got the image to use here. Sure that these buttons are actually they are linking to the right places where they are supposed to be linking. You see what I mean? This is another landing page coming from the previous page. You must put in all of these titles and description, copies, and then like the main copy of the page. All of these things, they are named differently depending on what kind of organization you're working with, and what the team has agreed to call all of those things. Look at these boxes, for example. These are like 3 boxes, right? There might be cases where you might need to use like 4 boxes, or even like use just 2 boxes instead. These are technical bits of this role. Look at HSBC, for example. This is another popular bank here in the UK. They've got like a similar layout as that of Barclays, but all of these pages have been built by web producers. You've got all kinds of links here through which you can link to other pages. All of these things here, they've been added by the web producer, based on the templates provided by the web developer.